Hey everybody, Todd with Custom Upfits here. I'm sitting here with my friend Justin Barcia, JB51, and you guys might have seen recently he put his van up for sale. Well, with all the shortages and stuff like that, he can't find a new van. So we've decided that we are going to rebuild the interior of his van. So we're going to take all the interior out of this van and we're going to set it aside in the Custom Upfits shop. And we're going to ask you, the loyal motocross community, to go to roadtorecovery.com and basically donate $10 for Brian Moreau, so BM104 in the comments section, and we're going to choose a name. And if you already own a van, we're basically going to reinstall Justin's van into your van. So if you have a van, ProMaster, Sprinter, Transit, VW Bus, whatever you have that you want to convert into a moto van, we're basically going to do the build out for free, and we're going to start with the platform from all the stuff out of Justin's van. Justin's been kind enough to donate the interior of his van, minus the toilet.
The toilet's mine. No, thanks guys, appreciate it. Yeah, help out Brian. It's an amazing thing to do. Todd came up with this idea, and I'm just glad to support it. My van's been absolutely awesome, but I have massive dogs, and I'm gonna do a few little changes to make them more comfortable. It's not about me, it's about the dogs.
So, dogs, Road to Recovery, CustomUpfits.com. Let's raise some money for Brian.
Thanks, guys.